What's up, guys? It is Joseph is Lamar Darker here today. So we got the multi-code. So to program it with linear, many times. Let's see. 2, 2, 5, 8, 6, 9. So how to program it with the remote. So to program the linear. So to program the linear, so many times, watch. You program it with the linear many times. It works steadily, just like a linear. So today, I had to watch out with the garage door opener. Many times multi-code is for linear and Stanley. So it works as probably as linear, but it works as Stanley. So to 69. So there's a 10 dip switch. So over the load so many times till the overhead door. That one's for overhead door. This for overhead door. That one's overhead door. So multi-code, bilinear, and test it. We're all set. So enjoy the garage door opener. Please like, subscribe. So goodbye. Have an enjoy.